Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS fonts. And right now we'll be discussing about CSS Google fonts. The CSS Google fonts can be used in case you don't want to use the standard HTML fonts. You can use the Google fonts. Google fonts are free to use and have more than 1000 fonts to choose from. So I'm going to be showing you how all this works quickly. Back to our document, as you can see right here, we're having this. We want to target just our legend element right here. We want to target it and give it some Google fonts. So let's go and search for Google fonts. In our browser, we search for Google fonts. So we are able to see this. So this first link, we can click it. When we click it, then there is a lot of ways we can pick fonts from here. We can click, as you can see, when you scroll down like this, you will see a lot of fonts you can use. Can you see some fonts? So let's say you want to pick any font like this one or this one. You can just click it like this and it's going to show you all the way it's looking. And also you can click, maybe is this bold one you want, or this deep one, or the light one. You can just click any one of it. If it's the bold one, you can click the bold one. If it's the light one, let's say if it's the bold one you need, you can just click this. It's going to click up the bold one. And if it's the light one you want, and you can just click the light one. So, and also there is another way you can go about it. You can also come to this bar right here. You can check the trending, most popular, and all that. You can check the newest font. As you can see, this is the newest one, which is this one that is having color. But I want to use trending fonts. Let me check. Maybe I can find some trending fonts. So it can be identical like this. Everyone has the right something like this. I want to click this one. This is one I want to use. So now this one, now I'm trying to use it. So let me just find, maybe it's having some things. I think this one, I don't want to don't let me use this one. I want to use the one that is identical to me. Let me use like this one. Now this one is identical very well. So as you can see, this one, I'm clicking this one, as you can see. So this one is the one I want to use now. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to click this one. As I've clicked it, I'm just going to go to this my right hand right here. You are seeing this get font. Just click the get font. When we click the get font, it's going to show us different something that we can read. So but we just want to get the font quickly so we can use it. So we can use this get embed code or download all, but we are going to use this get embed code. Click on it. When you click on it, the main thing you need right here is this link, all these three links here. As you can see right, it gave us direction how to use it. It said that embed code in the HTML head element. So this is how we are going to do it. We are going to copy it, or it's very, just use this copy code so that everything can be copied automatically. So when I press this thing, I copy it directly. You can also highlight it like that and copy it, but I press this one so that it can copy everything for me. So you are going to come back to your code inside your edge section right here. You can paste the Google font there. After that, how can we know the name of the font we are trying to use? Definitely you can come immediately after this family is equal to right here. You will find the name of the font. So the name of our font right here is Danfo. So I think it's Danfo. Yes. So when we copy this Danfo right here, you can just copy this Danfo right here and come to your CSS. Inside your CSS, you can just define a class or select one element. I'll select my legend element. Let me select my legend element and give it font family. So when after giving it font family, then you are going to put in the Danfo font that we just copied from the Google font. Now let's get back to our document and reload it. You're going to see it's going to reflect here. Let me reload. Can you see? Immediately the Google font shows. This is the Google font we are using now. Can you see the way it shows in our document now? We can rearrange our document so that you can see it clearly. I can rearrange it for you guys so you guys can see it clearly, and just give it 66 so that you can see. Can you see how it looks now? So as you can see, so it just depends on what you want to do. That's how you can copy a font from the Google Fonts, and that's how you can use Google Fonts. So I don't want to talk much about this. There are some things right here. This just like the directions of some things that is inside the downfall. Some things you can use, some things that is already there, and some things you can use. So these are part of it. But this one, all this one here, right here, you can use it in your CSS. So be advised about that. So this the main thing you need right here, and you can also control it more better. Maybe you want it to have another color, you can just give it color right here. Just give it red color. When you give it red color, the color is going to change. Let me reload. Can you see the color change immediately? So that's what I have to show you guys. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. But before I go again, let me show you all this again. When I search for Google Fonts, Google Fonts. I search for Google Fonts and I browse and I click the fonts.google.com website. I click it. After clicking the fonts.google.com website and I see all this kind of page, I can pick any font I want. Even I can pick Chinese character. So I can pick anything I want here. Even I can use this type of font. There is one I saw before earlier. I can pick this type of font right here. When I pick it, I can just click get font and I will just check the name of the Google font. This type of font is having this name Cablamo. So let me just copy the name of the font and use it. Maybe it's going to work directly if I use the name of the font only. Let me paste the name there and save our document because we are already having some Google fonts. Yeah, let's reload. Now it's not showing, but it's just showing the color. So let's copy all this last link here because we already have some links from the Google already. So sometimes it's good to copy all the link at once. I'm saving this now. Camlambo. If it's going to work for us, we are going to see it. Can you see now the Camlambo font is working for us now? Can you see the way it looks? So I'm purposely showing you guys all this so you guys can be able to know the main thing you can do with Google Fonts. So let me just increase the font size maybe just for you guys to see it again. I'm going to give it a 3 pixel. Let me give it a 3 pixel. Can you see the Camlambo font, the way it looks? So you guys to be aware of that. I think I'm done for now. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Until the next. Thank you.